See here, sine inverse minus 1 to 1 minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. The principal value is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Tan inverse r minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Cosec inverse r minus in bracket minus 1 to 1 open interval, because at this point the function cosec inverse graph is not exist, and minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 except 0, because we know that 1 by sin x at sin x, so x equal to 0, so 1 by sin 0, so 1 by 0 is infinity, it means not defined, so that's why here 0. Now cos inverse minus 1 to 1 and principal value 0 to pi, cot inverse set of real number 0 to pi open interval 0 to pi, sec inverse r real number minus 1 to 1 and principal value 0 to pi and except minus pi by 2, because 1 by cos is sec, so when sec is pi by 2, so 1 by cos pi by 2, so cos pi by 2 is 0, so 1 by 0 is not defined. So these are the principal values of sin inverse, tan inverse, cosec inverse, here cos inverse, cot inverse and sec inverse. Now I am going to solve this question. Find the principal values of sin inverse 1 by root 2. So solution here, let y is equal to sin inverse 1 by root 2. See here 1 by root 2 belongs to here sin inverse. So sin inverse here minus 1 to 1 and 1 by root 2 belongs to minus 1 to 1. So we can write like this, sin y is equal to 1 by root 2. So see here, this one become like this, sin y is equal to 1 by root 2. Now 1 by root 2 is positive, 1 by root 2 is positive. Now we have to draw a here, because principal value is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 and here it is 0. So see here, in minus pi by 2 to 0, this one minus pi by 2 to 0, so is negative, so that's why not doesn't belongs to this one. So here it is belongs to 0 to pi by 2 and 0 to pi by 2 principal values. So we have to search the value of 1 by root 2 between 0 to pi by 2. So see here, sin y is equal to sin pi by 4. We know that sin pi by 4 means 45 degree is 1 by root 2. So here, so y is equal to sin pi by 4. So see here, pi by 4 belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Hence, the principal values of what is y? Y is sin inverse 1 by root 2. So principal value of sin inverse, principal value of sin inverse 1 by root 2 is pi by 4. Pi by 4. Now find the principal value. Find the principal value of cot inverse minus 1 by root 3. The solution here, let y is equal to cot inverse minus 1 by root 3. Now see here, minus 1 by root 3. Minus 1 by root 3 belongs to r. So minus 1 by root 3 belongs to r. See here r. Okay. So we can write like this, cot y is equal to minus 1 by root 3. Now see here, the principal values of cot is 0 to pi. So we have to search here in between 0 to pi. So see here 0 to pi. So in between 0 to here pi and here pi by 2. So in between we have to find out the value of cot y. So see here in this quadrant all t ratios are positive, so it is not possible. Now we have to search in the second quadrant. We know that in second quadrant cot is negative. So in this quadrant we have to find out. It means less than 180 and more than 90. So we can write like this: cot y is equal to cot 180 degree minus theta. So we know that cot 180 degree minus theta is minus cot theta. We know that cot 180 degree minus theta is minus cot theta. So we use this formula. So cot theta, so minus cot pi by 3. So you will get minus 1 by root 3. Now see here pi minus pi by 3. So cot y is equal to cot 3 pi minus pi by 3. So this one is equal to cot y equal to cot 2 pi by 3. So see here 2 pi by 3. So 2 pi by 3, this one 2 pi by 3 belongs to 2 pi by 3 belongs to 0 to pi, because here 120 degree, here 0 to 180 degree. So 0 to 2 pi by 3 belongs to 0 to pi. So we can write here y is equal to 2 pi by 3. So principal values of cot inverse minus 1 by root 3 is equal to 2 pi by 3. So see here cot y equal to cot here pi minus pi by 3. We know that cot 180 degree minus theta is minus cot theta. So minus cot theta, theta is pi by 3. So minus cot pi by 3. Cot pi by 3 is 1 by root 3. So minus 1 by root 3. So we can write like this. So now take LCM. 3 pi minus pi, 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 means 120 degree. 120 degree belongs to pi by 2 to pi. So here 2 pi by 3 belongs to 0 to pi. So y is equal to 2 pi by 3. So cot and cot removed. Here y is equal to 2 pi by 3. So principal values of cot inverse minus 1 by root 3 is equal to 2 pi by 3.